Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Shoal Azari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing color changing card trick, and it's a very easy and beginner card trick because it almost requires no sleight of hand to do the color change. So without any further ado, let's jump into the performance. After that, we are going to watch the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the trick looks like. First of all, you can see I have a deck of cards, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this deck of cards and I'm actually going to give it a shuffle just like this. Then I'm going to ask my spectator to touch any playing card they want. For example, let's say they touch this one, and this one is the 10 of spades. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 10 of spades somewhere inside the center of the deck just like this. And after that, you can see if I go through like this, I won't be able to find the 10 of spades because it has got the same back design as all the other cards. It has got the same back color as all the other cards. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to snap my finger and I'm going to change the back design of the 10 of spades. And if you see right over here, you can see one card has actually changed its color, right? Only one card in the entire deck has actually changed its color, and it is none other than your selection, that is the 10 of spades, right? So the 10 of spades has actually changed its back color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 10 of spades just like this and I'm going to spin it on my finger, and as I do that, its back actually turns to normal. And that's how the trick looks like. Let's see how you can do this card trick. Okay guys, for doing this card trick you need a gaffed card. A gaffed card is actually a gimmick card which is specially made for magic, and you can also make this too. So you are seeing over here right now, you're watching a card, right? And you're thinking that this card has some kind of value, right? But this does not have any value because on the other side it has actually a different back. It has the same back design but with a different color, right? So what you can do right now is you are going to use this card, okay? And if you don't have this card, you can make this type of card by sticking two cards face to face. You're going to take two random cards from two different colored decks just like this, and what are you going to do is you're going to stick them face to face just like this, and after sticking them they turn into a double backer just like this with two type of colors on both the backs. But if you have already a gaffed card just like this, then you don't need that card. You are going to use this card. Okay, now let's get into the handling. Okay, this trick starts with this kind of setup. First of all, you have a deck of cards with all the face down cards, and on the last card you actually have that gaffed card. So you have all these cards face down, and this color is actually matching this color right now, but you're going to keep it just like this. Then you're going to do the trick, and after that you can give any kind of shuffle. Just make sure you don't flash this card, and after your spectator selects a playing card, you have to put this card on top of this card just like this. Okay, so what I do is I actually take this card, I put it on the top just like this, and since this card is on the bottom, I'm going to cut this to this position. So at this position you have this card on top of this card. Okay, so you get into that position just like this, and it's so easy to do. And after that you can tell any kind of story. Snap your finger, and as you go through like this, you're going to just find the other colored card like this. It's very easy to find because it would be very much contrasting to all the other cards, and you will be easily finding this card, and you're going to just keep it like this, and then you're going to spread the rest of the cards, showing that none of the card has actually changed their color. And then what you are going to do is you're actually going to cut these two packs. From the top you're going to cut this pack, and from the bottom you're going to cut this pack, and you're going to exchange them just like this. You're going to exchange their position. You're going to first do like this, and then after that you're going to just exchange their position. And then what you are going to do is you're going to get a break under the top two cards just like this, 1 2, I actually read the pinky count, and it's actually the best way to take a break under any number of cards you want. If you don't know how to do a pinky count, I've provided a tutorial link in the description box. Make sure you check the description box. And after you have actually took the break under the top 2 cards, what you're going to do is you are going to do a double lift. Now I have actually made a tutorial for the Stuart Gordon double lift, and it looks just like this. And if you want to know how to do the Stuart Gordon double lift, you can check the link in the description box. By the way, any kind of double lift would work. So at this position, when you actually took the break under the top 2 cards, you're going to do a double lift, and you're going to show that their card has actually changed the back color. But in actual reality, you have actually picked two cards, and their card has actually the original back color. And you're going to just not going to spread this out like this, and instead you're going to just show them like this, that their card has actually changed their back color, changed its back color. So what you're going to do at this point is, after showing the card like this, what you're going to do is you're going to take this cards just like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to leave both of them on the top of the deck. And after that, you're going to just take only one card in the other hand from the top, and that will allow the gaffed card to be left on the top of the deck, just like this. So the gaffed card is right now in this position, and you have the 7 of diamonds with the original back right now. And what you're going to do is you're going to do any kind of magical gesture. What I do is I spin the card on my finger, and then I show them that the card has actually changed back to its original color. And then what I do is I actually show all the cards just like this, and tell them that all the cards are normal. And then while doing any other kind of trick in misdirection, I actually put this second card, which is the gaffed card, away from the deck into my pocket or something like that. And that's how you actually do this trick. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing color changing card trick. Make sure you hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Soul_Zari. And if you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comment section. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.